To draw a snow dome, we obviously want to start with the dome, so that's going to be a circle like that. And then I'm just going to put a little thing like that, so that's the reflection of light hitting the dome from a window or something like that. And then here I'm going to start building a snowman. So that is an ellipse, that's the top of his top hat. And then we draw a curve underneath, and we go all the way around, another ellipse, and that's the brim of his top hat, and then that's his head. But I think we need to just stop there and put in that little carrot nose first, and two little eyes and a little smile, and then we want his arm like that, which will come up there, and that will be there coming up, and then we want the other arm on the other side, and some little bits of coal or something to make the buttons on his coat. And then that's going to be the kind of snowy bit, but I think we're going to get kind of strange sort of dark shadows underneath there. Now this needs to go on a stand, so we're going to start by drawing like a sausage underneath there. And then this is the kind of main bit. So maybe he turns around on the clockwork mechanism, which is held inside this sort of tubey, boxy kind of thing. And another sausage all the way around it. And maybe another one as well, just to give that extra bit of style. Now I'm going to put a little bit of shading down the side there and down the side there as well. Maybe a little bit there. Those are just kind of dots there. That's all you need. And then I think we're going to need some snow in our snow dome. That's a little bit obvious. Let's have a bit on his hat there as well. That's going to be the snow in the snow dome. And then to make the whole thing kind of stand out a little bit, we're going to just put a bit of shading or hatching, what this is really called. And we're going to flick those out behind our snowman on that side, and we're going to do the same here. So just take your time. I'm probably being reasonably fast because I've spent a long time doing this and I'm kind of quite well practiced at it, but just take your time, flick out like that. And I think we can probably do the top of the hat like that, and the side of the hat like that, and maybe a bit of the brim like that. And we're going to want a bit more sort of hatching in there as well to sort of bring some more dynamics to the rest of the dome. Now let's put the edge of the table in there, and to put the thing on the table we're going to add a bit of shading, and I'm flicking it here as well, so as I flick it the line gets thinner and it just sort of fades into the distance.